When we first started 34 years ago, we just wanted to play music. We wanted to be accepted by the musicians that were already here.
Aua apua pulama aloha ia no, makaholo na makahiki, ua eo na ano hano like ole I ko Mākaha Sons, ua hoʻokanina na mea kiʻi makanui e laʻa me Peliki Kena Clinton. A ua lilo he mau kumu hoʻohalike no ka oi kela o Kapualani Hawaiʻi.
Just three brothers from the island of Nānākuli making music.
And we grew up in a musical atmosphere. My father was a musician, my grandfather was a musician, my granduncle was a musician.
Ua nui ka pomeikaʻi o ke ia hui I ke komo ana ano lala like ole nui o ke kalena. A o ke kahi, o ia Hawaiʻi aloha nui ia e kākou o Israel ka makaviwa ole.
If you know us, we've been through it all, so it's just getting over and over and over.
Ai loko o ia mauloli, ua paapono no ia mea nui o ka nani o na leo kūlauna no hoi. Pehea la?
It's a mixture of green tea and jasmine. No. Trying to arrange harmonies is rather difficult. So what I normally do is just go back to the basic. And it's just basic music.
E mau aku ana no ko ke ia pūkolu nui o ka haʻahaʻa hoʻomake aka pū. Hoʻonanea ana I ko Hawaiʻi mao ko lako aloha nui I ka pualo Hawaiʻi.
Just getting on stage and doing just one special song and you can see it in the audience eyes, yeah. So you know you hit something, yeah. But when you start looking at you, they're gonna go, then oh, change after that.
Maka hoʻokani ana mana wahi piha I ke anaina nānā, mahalo nui loa ana no o Moon, John, me Jerome, I ka hiki ke komo I ke hoʻola mau ana aku I ka ike kuʻuna o ka pualo Hawaiʻi, a nui no hoʻi ka manao lana no ke ia mua aku.
A lot of young groups coming up really, now, and I hope we can, just leave an impact on them.
I hope somebody will continue the style of music that we do, continue with Hawaiian music, not by getting a little too fancy, because I think Hawaiian music is nice and simple.
Yeah, koke mahalo.